Allison Olivia, and today I'm going to be showing you the hair products and hair tools that I use. So yeah, I have a few products to show you guys, and I'm just gonna get started. So for hair tools, for curling my hair, I've been using the Hot Tools, I don't even know the name of it, 1 1/4 Nano Ceramic Flipperless Curling Wand. And this is from Hot Tools, and I love this curling wand so much. It's this is what my hair looks like after I use it. I used it today, and I love it. It's honestly just really nice, and I like how big and voluminous the curls turn out. It's a really good in between like really curly and really loose. So I really like this, and it heats up really fast. I've had it for maybe about 2 months now, and I really like it. So if you're thinking about getting a new curling wand or curling wand, you should definitely check out this one. Now for straightening my hair, I use the Chi Ultra T straightener. I'm not really sure the correct name of this, but I got this about a month ago, and it's just the ombre one from white to pink. It heats up really fast, which I really like in the morning when I'm running late and I don't have time to wait half hours for it to heat up. It really makes my hair soft, and it really just makes it feel good. Now on to hair products. So for hair protectant, I use the Style 60 Hair Heat Defense Setting Spray, and this is the 450 headset. I've talked about this a little bit on my channel. I got it about maybe 2 or 3 months ago, but I really like this. It makes my hair very soft. It doesn't have it's more straight. So I just put it in my hands and I blend it in my hair. I got this for $10 at Ulta, but I think it's a little bit more expensive. I got it on sale, but once in a while Ulta will have $10 for every single sexy hair products. But I really do like this, and I recommend it to anyone that's looking for a new hair protectant. Next, I'm going to talk about the smoothing cream I use for after I curl my hair or straighten my hair. This is the Bedhead After Party Smoothing Cream, and I've had this for a really long time. I'm pretty sure this is the only smoothing cream I've talked about on my channel because I've had it for so long and I love it so much. I got this September, and I still have a really good amount left, so I really like this product. It makes my hair so smooth, and it really does keep a curl a little bit. I don't like using hairspray because I don't find it necessary, and it's really crunchy on my hair, and I don't like that throughout the day. So this is really nice because it smooths down my hair, and it also kind of keeps the curl at least a little bit. My next product is a dry shampoo. This is the Not Your Mother's Clean Freak Refreshing Dry Shampoo, and I really like this stuff, but I love to use this after PE or track because my hair always feels really greasy. I just put this in my roots, shake it out. I actually put it under here sometimes because it gets really oily in my hair, over here. I don't know if you're supposed to do that, but I do that, and it really makes it feel refreshed and new, and all the oils go away. So I really like this, and the only reason why I don't use colored dry shampoos is because my hair is pretty light. So if I use a darker dry shampoo or a blonde dry shampoo, it's not really gonna fit anywhere. I've never really dyed my hair, so it's just kind of natural, and I don't really have a set color of my hair. It's not blonde, it's not brunette, it's not red, it's just a weird color, and I can't really describe it. It's mostly blonde. It's really confusing, so I just use this one because it doesn't leave that bad of a white tint on my roots. But if you do have darker or lighter hair or red hair or anything like that, I definitely recommend to try out a colored dry shampoo because that'd probably be the best fit for you. Alright, now on to what I use in the shower for my hair. So I'm going to first talk about my shampoo. I use the Everstraight Brazilian Keratin Therapy Shampoo. This is from Organics, and I love this stuff. Oh my gosh. This is I love it. It's keratin. When I saw it, I'm keratin. Keratin is so good for your hair. It makes it so smooth, and really it just makes it feel nice. And it also has coconut oil, keratin proteins, avocado oil, cocoa butter. It's just so natural. It's a really nice shampoo. I've noticed that my hair has been a lot more healthier after using this product because usually I get a haircut 2.5 1.5 months. I get it like every quarter of my school year, and I was kind of overdue. I'm like, well, I don't really need a haircut, and I was really like happy about that, and I'm like, oh, it's probably because of this product. So yes, I really like this. I definitely recommend you to try this out. This is actually an empty bottle, and I'm already on to my second bottle, so I really love this product. Definitely check it out. For conditioner, I use the mane and tail conditioner, and I've talked about this on my channel. I really do like it. I feel like these two hand in hand are like the best like duo for your hair ever. I mean, for me, it works perfect. I really like this product, and you should definitely check it out. And then for a kind of repair mask, I use the L'Oreal Total Repair 5 Damage Erasing Balm, and it says repairs up to 1 year of damage in one use, which is pretty cool. I really don't have that much damage to my hair. Like I said, I've never dyed it, I've never bleached it, like I've never done anything like horrible to my hair. It's just been very natural. I do use heat on it pretty much every day, so that is pretty damaging, but it's never been like totally damaged from bleach or anything. So I didn't really like totally need this in my life, but it is really nice. It makes my hair very smooth. It just comes in like this, and I don't know, I use it about once a week, and it really helps my hair to just feel like nice and refreshed. So I definitely recommend to try this out. So yeah, that is all my hair care products. Thank you for watching. Please thumbs up this video if you thought this was helpful, and comment down below some of your favorite hair care products, because I like to try out new things. Make sure to check out Beautiful Minds. I talk about them in every single video, but it's a collab channel I'm in, and we're still looking for people to audition, and we're going to be picking soon, so definitely check that out down below. Even just subscribe, that'd be really nice. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye!